Hi guys, I'm Pri from Free Tours by Food Dubai, and today I'm going to bring you on a tour of one of the world's fanciest, most luxurious hotels in Dubai, the Burj Al Arab. The Burj Al Arab Hotel, inaugurated in 1999, put Dubai on the architectural map of the world. Many people refer to it as the only 7-star hotel of the world. Actually, it is still a 5-star hotel. There are no 7-star hotels in the world, but it is filled with design and luxury that is unmatched. The Burj Al Arab was first of many things. It was the first project in land reclamation where Dubai built a new island off of the coast to place this hotel. We then used that model to create many architectural geniuses like the Palm Jumeirah. The Burj Al Arab Hotel in itself features a dhow-shaped, a sailboat-shaped building that comes from a huge history of pearl diving and nautical past of the country. So the sail-shaped building gives a unique positioning to each hotel room. By the way, every suite is 2 stories. That means every hotel room is a duplex. Burj Al Arab has been the symbol of Dubai's tourism for over 20 years. Guests often ask us, what is it like inside the hotel? What do people do? What is the beach like? What are the different restaurants? What is the styling of the architecture? Is it true that the staircase is laden with 24 karat gold? Well, why don't you come along with us and find out?
Thank you for joining us on the Inside Burj Al Arab tour. We are looking forward to guiding you through this world-famous landmark.
Architect Tom Wright and interior designer Quan Chu worked on this unprecedented landmark project. A private, guests-only curved bridge leads guests into the man-made island which houses the hotel. The Kite Beach area has many 5-star hotels in itself, especially the famous wave-shaped Jumeirah Beach Hotel and the castle-shaped Al Qasr Hotel. The stunning atrium as you enter the hotel lobby is 180 meters tall with a lavish fountain and a sparkle of gold. A ride on the elevator to the suites or up to the famous Sky View bar opens up a spectacular view of the city and the ocean. The staircases are indeed rimmed with 24 karat gold. There are several opportunities within the hotel in museum-styled galleries that explain the architectural features and history of the hotel. Extraordinary cuisine is central to the Burj Al Arab experience, to the extent that before you are served your Emirati biryani, machboos, you can digitally experience it to know exactly how it will be prepared and served. Why not top it all off with a 24 karat real gold cappuccino? Burj Al Arab also contributes to the important sea turtle rehabilitation project.
Hello and welcome to the Royal Suite, the jewel in the crown of Burj Al Arab. Please come in, we've been expecting you.
Behold, we are about to enter the 4-bedroom royal suite with a Versace-fitted bathroom and Hermes toiletries. The master bedroom in this suite has a rotating bed with an unstinting view of the entire Palm Island, just like His Highness desired it have. The Burj Al Arab Boutique is the most exclusive gift shop featuring hotel's very own branded M&Ms, among other luxury items with a touch of Emirati culture. While your stay at the hotel would be the highlight of your Dubai experience, don't forget that right outside the hotel are stunning beaches and the super fun Wild Wadi water park. Burj Al Arab features a helipad closest to the roof right behind me. Tiger Woods has teed off from this helipad. Roger Federer has played tennis here with Andre Agassi. Some of the famous people that have stayed at the hotel are Nelson Mandela, David Beckham, Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan. What are the different ways in which you can experience the Burj Al Arab? Of course, you can make a reservation and check into one of the hotel suites. You can also make a day booking for the Sal Beach Club inside the hotel where you have pool and beach access, and that's for one day. You can make a reservation at any of the 6 restaurants and bars inside the hotel by calling the Jumeirah Hotel Group reservation system. You can also book a city tour with us, Dubai by Foot, and we will bring you on the different architectural features of the tour inside and outside. And you can also book a tour of the hotel from the inside by visiting insideburjalarab.com. Thank you for coming with me today on the tour of the Burj Al Arab. If you like what we're putting out there, please hit like or subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comment section what you would like to see us work on next. And if you are in Dubai, contact us at contact@dubaibyfoot.com and we can curate a tour just as per your requirements. Looking forward to walking with you in Dubai.